Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to export any chat from WhatsApp. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on top right three dots. After that, you have to click on settings. When you click on settings, here you have to click on chats button. When you click on chats, here you have to scroll down and bit here you have to scroll down a bit, and here you will see an option chats. Here you will see an option chat history. You have to click on this chat history button. When you click on chat history button, here you have to click on top export chat. You have to click on this. After selecting this, you have to select any chat which you want to export. After that, here you have to select included media. When you click on this, now here you have to select your drive folder. In this way you can export chat from WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.